Come on. Whoa. Whoa. Bro, that is almost lock drag too. It's swimming in. It's definitely a gummy, bro. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out. Whoa, whoa. Reel your lines in, reel your lines in. Wait, let me go over. That's a stonker, bro. That's not a gummy, man. That's probably a schoolie, bro. Oh, I can see it. It's right at the branch. It's going for the tree. Whoa! It's a big gummy, bro.
Big gummy?
Big gummy. It's, wait, just wait, just wait. Cads, I'm gonna give you the rod soon, yeah? Just wait when it gets closer. Whoa!
Yeah, I can see it.
Bro! That's a 20 kilo gummy, easy!
Oh.
Whoa, shit! Oh, no way! Oh, cuz, just don't go by the line, just don't, I'll fight it, I'll fight it, I'll fight it. Whoa! That's bigger than my other one! Cuz, don't let, wait, cuz, just let it, when it's ready.
7 giller, bro.
Is it a 7 giller? No way! Alright, grab her by the tail. Grab her by the tail. Just watch out, watch out. Alright guys, I thought that was a huge gummy, but it turns out it's a 7 giller. Careful, careful, careful. Don't let it bite you. Yes!
That's crazy.
That is crazy. Watch your hands. Watch your hands. Whoa.
Wow.
Woo! Yeah. Oh.
Fuck yeah, boys.
Yeah. For my first giller. Oh man.
Bonker too.
Oh. Oh, let's try and get the hook out, bro, and release it. Look at the size of that 7 giller. That is huge. Oh.
Teeth, cuz.
Let me put my rod down.
Oof, bro.
Get it. You are crazy, Ken.
You're crazy.
You are crazy. Alright, we got none of us have got pliers. Whoa! He nearly knocked me out.
Holy shit.
Cats, hold the rod.